Okay, so I'm gonna go over this exactly as I did the feasibility study. You see that the bar area looks exactly as we have it drawn in the feasibility study. Now notice the client offset the sink, put this cool sink in here. We got the drain in the back, really neat, made out of the same material as the countertop. The cabinet is a white oak with a clear finish. Notice how you pull it open from down below, how it gives a little, we make the doors a little bigger so it's an easy pull open. Obviously all soft close, lit down below. Here's a ProVia door. Now why I love ProVia doors. One is it has the wood inside finish, and notice how it's made to match. Kind of look good with everything, but notice the functionality of this door. It just rolls like butter. Super, super smooth. Very quiet door, very, very well made. And like the feasibility study, I'm gonna roll over into the bathroom. And the bathroom there's the vanity as we showed you. We have the light on down below now because it's switched, but it can be made to be a night light to turn on at night only and off during the day. Notice, now let's talk about the vanity cabinet. Cabinet itself in the right-hand drawer. Notice it has power in the back, soft close. Same thing on the left-hand side. Power in the back, soft close. Notice the middle drawer. That's called a U-shaped drawer. Notice how we customized it to fit exactly what's needed for the plumbing. Gives you the full depth of the drawer. And then the one down below, same thing, because the plumbing goes down that low. Okay, here's the toilet. Now we put the toilet tucked away back in this corner behind this wall because the client wanted a sense of privacy. So we made that wall taller than maybe we would have normally otherwise, but he loves the idea of privacy back there. And that's a wall hung toilet. Beautiful. Safety bar right next to it. So it becomes a space easily convenient. Here's a matching wall hung. Incidentally, to make it wall hung, it doesn't cost any extra money for us to do that because the way we do our cabinetry, but that's a full depth. Same thing, notice the finger pull here. Full depth linen. Notice it's not just some little shallow thing, it's actually a deep cabinet. Roll around to the shower. Again, you like the idea of having a defined space for the shower. So we put the pony wall in there with a fixed glass. We spent time to make the shower head be to where you can make it whatever height's convenient for the client. That's why we put the bar there. That's why we did it that way. The turn on is to the right. So you're able to turn on the shower without having water hit you. That's a code item. Notice grab bars on either side. And then notice the barrier free, which means no curb. And notice the infinity drain, that it's left to right the full width. I hate it when those things come short and you have to do the little small tiles. To me, that looks awful. I hate that look. I like little clean details like this in the corners. Those kinds of things mean something to me. A shower niche, roll around to the tub. Client liked the idea of being able to sit on the edge of this tub and be able to roll himself in with the grab bars above him and to have a handheld there and have a fast filler system, by the way. That's not just some little 1/2-inch pipe, that's a larger pipe made to fill that tub quick. That is a cast irons tub by Kohler, I believe. And notice you have a tub niche there, which oftentimes forgotten. The idea is you sit in the tub and you got a place to put stuff. Well, it looks, and obviously the wall lights, sconces on a mirror, lights in the ceiling. Beautiful bathroom. Just as we went over in the feasibility study and showed the client what they can have as possible. And there it is produced.